Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pediatric nursing. Begin by building a strong foundation in child development, from newborns to teenagers. Focus on understanding the unique physiological and psychological needs at each stage. Master common pediatric conditions, their signs, and effective interventions. Develop your communication skills to interact effectively with both young patients and their parents, ensuring a holistic approach to care. Next, hone your clinical skills. Practice performing thorough physical assessments on pediatric patients, adapting your approach for different ages. Pay close attention to age-specific vital sign ranges, which differ significantly from adults. Become proficient in using growth charts and recognizing developmental milestones. Mastering safe medication administration, including precise dosage calculations, is absolutely crucial for pediatric care. A cornerstone of pediatric nursing is family-centered care. Always involve parents and guardians in care planning and decision-making, respecting their role. Familiarize yourself with the ethical dilemmas often encountered in pediatric settings, such as consent and confidentiality for minors. Providing compassionate emotional support to both the child and their family is paramount. Remember, you are a vital advocate for your young patients. Finally, delve into advanced topics and continuous practice. Consider exploring specialized areas such as pediatric critical care, neonatal intensive care, or oncology. Actively engage with diverse case studies to apply your theoretical knowledge to complex situations. Participate in clinical simulations to refine your practical skills in a safe environment. Seeking mentorship from experienced pediatric nurses offers invaluable insights and guidance for your professional growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.